I want to introduce you and welcome you to the Ashtanga Transitions Workshop. So in Ashtanga Yoga, there are so many pick it up, take it back, chaturanga. There are so many jump through to the next asanas. We call them transitions, and they're parts of the practice that can take years to refine, and they are a beautiful assembly of connectors. And it's the connection between things that sometimes we drop off, that we sometimes don't pay a lot of attention to. If we look at our life, we think about the big things that have happened in our life, but it's literally the times between the big things that make up our life. And so these transitions in an Ashtanga practice, they matter. So this practice is for yogis who are practicing with transitions, who want to build more strength, more endurance, more stamina, but also more ability to breathe through their practice and access deeper core muscles and deeper core awareness in their practice. I'm Jonna Smith. I invite you and I want you to feel welcome to join me in this workshop on transitions and how to have more buoyancy in your practice. I hope to see you there.